My Lord, thank you for this new morning. Thank you for allowing me to wake up and receive another opportunity to begin again. Yesterday has already passed. I cannot change the words I spoke, the decisions I made, or the mistakes I committed. But today is different. Today gives me another chance to choose better. My Lord, forgive me for the things I have done wrong, knowingly and unknowingly. Forgive my careless words. Forgive my impatience. Forgive the moments when pride controlled me. Forgive the times I chose what was easy instead of what was right. Forgive the moments when I hurt someone who did not deserve it. Help me recognize my mistakes without allowing guilt to destroy my hope. Teach me to learn from yesterday without living inside it. My Lord, if I have hurt someone, give me the courage to make things right. If I owe someone an apology, give me humility to say it sincerely. If I have broken someone's trust, help me become trustworthy again through my actions. If I have made a wrong decision, give me wisdom to correct what can still be corrected. And if something cannot be changed, help me accept it and move forward with greater wisdom. Do not allow my past to become an excuse for repeating the same mistakes. Make today better than yesterday. My Lord, give me a clean heart and a renewed intention. Help me leave behind habits that damage my life. Help me walk away from choices that repeatedly bring regret. Give me strength to resist temptation when doing what is wrong seems easier. Protect me from returning to the things I know are harmful. Replace bad habits with better ones. Replace anger with patience. Replace jealousy with gratitude. Replace pride with humility. Replace hopelessness with trust and perseverance. My Lord, there may be someone listening to this prayer who feels trapped by their past. Someone who believes they have made too many mistakes. Someone who wishes they could go back and change something. Remind them that they can still choose differently today. Give them the courage to take the first step.
Help them repair what they can.
Help them release
What they cannot change.
and guide them toward a better path. My Lord, bless this new beginning. If I have been distant from the people I love, help me reconnect. If I have neglected my responsibilities, help me become disciplined again. If I have wasted my time, help me use today's hours wisely. If I have neglected my health, help me make better choices. If I have been careless with money, give me wisdom and discipline. If I have allowed negativity to control my mind, help me focus on what is good and beneficial. My Lord, protect my family today. Give them peace, safety, strength, and good health. Help us forgive one another. Help us not to keep bringing old mistakes into new conversations. Teach us that a relationship can become stronger when people are willing to admit their faults and choose forgiveness. My Lord, guide me toward people who encourage goodness and away from influences that pull me toward what is harmful. Give me wisdom to recognize the difference. Do not let loneliness make me accept relationships that damage my character. And do not let pride make me reject people who genuinely want what is best for me. My Lord, today I choose to begin again. I will not pretend that yesterday never happened. I will learn from it. But I will not allow yesterday to decide who I become today. Give me strength to make better choices. Give me patience when change takes time. Give me courage when old habits try to return. And give me gratitude for every small improvement. Thank you for another morning. Thank you for another opportunity. Thank you for the ability to learn, change, repair, and grow. May today be a day of forgiveness, wisdom, patience, and new beginnings. Guide my steps. Protect my heart. Bless my family. Help me correct my mistakes. And lead me toward a life that is better, more honest, more peaceful, and more beneficial than before. I leave yesterday behind with its lessons, and I welcome today with gratitude and hope.